So sing about Martin, sing about caring, sing about peace.
Celebrating the life and legacy of Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. With songs written by students who sat here at Hewlett Elementary School years before.
Dr. King!
Sung with spirit and energy, 400 plus people strong.
Everybody's singing, everybody claps. No one's self-conscious.
The message is simple.
We're all the same inside.
They all express their feelings and put everything into the song.
The reason these students do that is this man, longtime music teacher Tom Sugar.
My job is like being in a 10-year-old rock band.
His love of music and his passion for teaching is evident on the faces of these students.
The school-wide programs where we sing together creates this sense of school community that you just cannot duplicate any other way in this day and age with these kids.
One more time!
This assembly has a 20-year history here at the school.
The songs make me feel really happy and that we are remembering someone who did so much great in the world.
Mr. Sugar will be playing his last chord here at the school. He's retiring after 24 years.
He always jokes around and has so much fun with everybody. And he makes people happy all the time.
For his part, Mr. Sugar says it's the students who have inspired him all of these years.
That energy level of working with 10-year-olds, up to 10-year-olds, for all these years has kept me just totally engrossed and fired up.
Big finish! Kids' colors, small and strong.
In Hewlett, I'm Shari Einhorn for Newsday TV.